The Gulf Coast Humane Society needs you. You already know we exist to help animals in need, but you may not know we're growing at a record rate, providing more services, expanding our reach, helping more animals and people than ever before. That growth means we must ask you to grow with us. Our expansion is happening fast. Sustainability is an ongoing battle. We rely solely on donations for funding. We need our resources to grow too. Let's look at some of the ways we're more than just a shelter. Our adoptions have substantially increased. From 2,000 5 years ago to 2,323 last year, placing over 300 more animals in a forever home. Every animal receives spay-neuter services, medication, transport, housing, food and health care, enrichment, and administration. It's a lot. Funding for sustained adoption growth must increase. We provide a low-cost clinic for the community. Services there have expanded to record numbers, with patient visits blossoming from 12,710 in 2016 to 14,092 in 2019. Providing veterinary services at a lowered cost means resources are needed. Animal population control is a priority. Anyone can bring their pets to us for low-cost spay-neuter services. We supplement these services with donor dollars. We even provide free transportation to and from a variety of low-income and impoverished areas. We pick up and drop off animals in these communities weekly to make sure people in need have access to this vital service. We're proud to serve the community this way and hope to for many years to come. When we get a dog with heartworm, we treat them at no cost after they're adopted. The number of heartworm patients we've treated is also on the rise. Costs for one dog with heartworm can exceed $2,000 alone. We want to ensure all our animals find a loving home, and that a concern like heartworm doesn't stop anyone from finding their perfect match. We need your help to keep providing this vital service. We help control the feral cat population with our TNR service in conjunction with Fortunate Feral's entitled Trap, Neuter, Return, which helps control the feral cat population through the effective method of spaying or neutering. This minimizes the number of feral cats as well as spread of disease. To care for all these animals, we have a bevy of wonderful people on staff or volunteering. They're our most precious resources, and we want to take care of those who take such good care of our furry friends. We depend on them for walks, feeding, medical, administration, management, and general care of our animals on a day-to-day basis. Our community outreach is one that's grown. Community service such as visiting schools to educate the youth on animal welfare and spreading GCHS initiatives. We also coordinate pet food drop-offs to local food pantries, as well as Veterans Hearts and Home, and bringing animals to programs like Valerie's House, a nonprofit organization that helps children who've lost siblings or parents cope with grief. Bringing together animals and children who need each other is one of our proudest achievements. GCHS organizes or participates in over 200 events and fundraisers per year, like the one you're at tonight. We raise money not only for us, but for many vital community services. The time and effort involved is staggering, but serving the greater good is why we're here. Time takes its toll on everything. Bringing our older animals together with our senior citizens is a way to provide them both with vital comfort and companionship. We're so proud to provide this program in conjunction with the United Way, one of the most reputable charitable organizations in the country. Life behind bars affects people and dogs alike. Bringing our animals to inmates in the Second Chance PALS program through Florida Department of Corrections and Cell Dog program with Lee County Sheriff's Department creates a new chance at meaningful friendships and behaviors. GCHS works with Lee County's 911 dispatch by bringing our animals to them for much-needed stress relief. Employing outside-the-box programs is something we need to continue. To keep up with all this growth, our facilities have had to expand. We've added on or improved a slew of areas both inside and out for cats and dogs alike. We anticipate this growth to continue and the need to build housing, play areas, medical units, and more. Finally, we service a 5-county area. We're in more counties than ever before. The need for vehicles and maintenance, travel costs, and manpower are higher than any time in our history. The Gulf Coast Humane Society exists to serve, so we ask for your generosity tonight and in the future so we can keep up and sustain our growth. Without your help, we can't help those who so desperately need it. We must ask you to grow with us.